Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will tell you and also show you how you can change the font on iPhone on iOS 18. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel before watching this video. Also put your like and comment. So let's go ahead and get started with you. Friends, please open the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, scroll down and go to General. Here also, scroll down to the bottom of the menu and go to the Fonts section. Here you will have a choice. Do you want to install some font new, or you want to install your own font? So that you can install the system one, click on the option System Fonts. Here you can choose the one that you like. You can also go to it to view how this font will look like. After that, just download such font and it will be automatically installed as your main font. If you want to install some font of your own, then go to My. Next, open the App Store app. After that, you will go to the section where you can find different applications with fonts. And then from that app, you can install some font on your iPhone. In this way, friends, you will be able to change the font on iPhone iOS 18. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments and give your likes. See you soon.